Okay, hi.
Hi, everyone. So we're just gonna do a mukbang while we...
Okay.
Boom, team.
Okay, everyone. So
But I
we
hope one of them
have
is good.
the Holy.
Literally in the Holy restaurant. Okay, so the weirdest thing has been going on lately.
I can't wait to hear.
The last name.
Much. Huh?
Here's some mayonnaise.
Last name.
Oh my god, I think my whole bag is just sauce and no food. Like, I am starting to think that.
Oh my god.
More sauce. Just
No,
handfuls.
look how much I have.
Handfuls. I can't. Okay, more fucking sauce. I can't even get to my food. Like, I'm getting so... Oh, bitch. Polynesian and Chick-Fil-A fries is the way to go always. For every which way, any occasion.
If you have never tried the Polynesian sauce,
do it. Do it. Do it. Do it now. Like, I don't know either, but honestly, I'm not satisfied by the way my tea tastes. Like, I'm still thirsty after taking a drink.
She got tea.
Dude.
Oh my god, have they been there?
Oh my god, your lights are on. We're not at Swenson's.
Okay,
Also,
that was my
also,
down.
Also, if you...
That it's like seen as fast food. Yeah, fuck Starbucks. Actually, no, that's
No,
false.
Starbucks is so good.
So good. But
like sometimes it just depends on what you get from
exactly.
Starbucks. And if you're looking
I only
for
like hot coffee from Starbucks.
Yeah, because it's really like yeah. You know what's funny? Is I did a mukbang with my mom.
Guys, I don't know if
Yeah. I can't even eat it. That's why I'm just showing you guys, because I literally, it's so hot. Dude, that's what one time I did a survey on Chick-Fil-A.com and like rated them really bad just so I got free food. At the shower, you might stink. So are you done with your meal?
everyone comment down below if we should go get McFlurries or not. So if everyone enjoyed us talking,
yeah, like
about
and
our
subscribe
food.
for more. So I'm gonna finish eating my Chick-fil-A sandwich.
Delicious.
No pickle. Okay, so
we're gonna go.
that's my favorite cartoon. Bye. Mwah.